What if everything you learned in school is exactly what's keeping you poor? Robert Kiyosaki had two dads, one rich, one poor. And the difference? It changed everything. His real dad, PhD, government job, believed in saving, stability, safety. His rich dad, a dropout, believed in risk, ownership, leverage. The poor dad said, go to school, get a job. The rich dad said, learn how money works, then make it work for you. We grow up trained to be employees, to trade time for money, to be afraid of failure. But what if the real trap is playing it safe? Kiyosaki learned early, the rich don't work for money, they make money work for them. Assets, not paychecks. Cash flow, not promotions. Freedom, not job security. While his poor dad chased titles, his rich dad bought rental properties. While the one feared debt, the other used it to buy buildings. It wasn't about working harder, it was about thinking differently. Most people live paycheck to paycheck, not because they're lazy, but because they were trained that way. Go to school, get a job, buy stuff, get in debt, work harder, repeat. And then one day you wonder why you are stuck. The poor say, I can't afford this. The rich ask, how can I afford this? That one question, it rewrites your brain for opportunity instead of limits. It's not about being born rich. It's about learning what the rich teach their kids, and schools don't. Financial literacy is the superpower you were never told about. Income statements, balance sheets, cash flow, not sexy, but essential. Rich dad taught him this. Money is a game. Learn the rules or be played. The poor work for money. The rich build systems. Employees fear mistakes. Entrepreneurs learn from them. Kiyosaki failed a lot, but each failure taught him more than a safe job ever could. You don't need more motivation. You need a new mindset. Because if you don't control your money, someone else will. You can keep working for a paycheck, or you can start building assets. It's not easy, but it is possible. And it starts with education. Not school education, financial education. This book is not about getting rich quick. It's about getting free, one decision at a time. So here's the question. Will you be the rich dad or the poor one? Hit like if this woke something up. Subscribe if you are done playing someone else's game. See ya!